Hi everyone, today I'm going to build a simple counter application in JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Let's take a look at the design. As you can see, we have the count here and three buttons for decreasing a reset and increasing the count. So by pressing decrease button, it will just -1 from the count, reset will set it to the 0, and plus button will just add 1 to the count. It's a good exercise to improve your JavaScript, HTML, CSS skills, and also it's often interview question. So let's get started with the application. So first of all, I need to create index HTML file, and then I press exclamation mark and load basic template. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and let me change the title to be counter, and then we can build our HTML code. I'm going to add counter class for container. Inside that class will be some div with ID count for the count, and also we need a container for our buttons. So it will be div, and we need 3 buttons. Okay, I'm going to just copy paste it, and it will be minus decrement and just this text, and ID also reset, and increment with plus sign. So now we need to add styles. I'm going to create styles CSS file, and also we need script file or JavaScript code, and let's add this to the HTML with a link to the styles and script, and I'm going to put here default to load our script after HTML code. And let's go to the styles and define some basic styles. Our body will be display flags to justify by center, and so we need some style for our container. It will be also flags, and direction will be column because we have 2 columns here. Flags direction column, and let me simplify all this and align items center. Okay, and so we need some style for our count. We can place here there initially count. Let's add some padding, 10 pixels and 20 pixels, and also we need some paddings for button. So the counter button. For button we can put cursor pointer, and let's check. I'm going to press go live, and it's a live server. I'm just using it. Okay, we have our HTML code and CSS styles, and let me just increase font size. Okay, and here font size. Okay, and we can add some padding to 50 pixel. Okay, now we can build our JavaScript code. First of all, I need some element, count element, and I'm going to use document get element by ID to receive element of count to modify this, and also we need some variable to store current count 0 initially, and we need a couple of functions. One function will be for just put count to our count element. It will be just show count and just count element text content to count. Okay, and now we need functions for increase, decrease, and rest. Function and decrease, just decrease count by 1 and show count, and the same functions for increase and reset. And increase just up 1, reset just assign 0, and so now I need to add event listeners and assign some events to click. Okay, document get element by ID, and we need ID our decrement button, and just add event listener to click event and assign function decrease. Okay, and the same event listeners to increment, but it will increase, and also event listener for rest. Okay, let's check. Decreasing works, reset works, increasing works, reset works. Everything is working. So I'll put the same code, link to the code on the comment. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, subscribe to my dev blog. Goodbye.